Well, hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got my I got my Maniology box from June 2020, and I also got, I had placed an order. I had been dying for one of their stamping polishes that was in another Maniology box that I didn't get, and I'll be showing that to you. And I had some kind of, I don't know if it was points or I have no idea, but I had to use them. It was some kind of special offer. So I know that other people have already gotten their box and showed these off for the June 2020, and this was the Making Waves box. And so I'm not going to get real deep into it. We've got the Maniology MXM033. Let me turn this overhead light off so maybe we can get a better kind of glance at it. I love that it's got some full-size images and then also some little, smaller images, like single images. So that is 33, and then we've also got 34 that's all smaller images. You got, pineapples and bananas and all kinds of stuff. But I'm going to pull the stuff off of these, and we're going to, do some swatching. I haven't done that in like forever. But the box also came with a stamping polish. Let me turn this big light back on. So we've got this dusty gray blue, and it's called Shark Bait. I really do like that. And then this month, instead of getting 2 stamping polishes, it came with a smudge-free unicorn top coat. So I will be, look at that. I will be swatching that over a couple of colors. And then the little special gift this month was this little rainbow looking bag. Little makeup bag or clutch or whatever. So there you have that. So today I'll be swatching with some of these other goodies that I picked up. This was the polish that I'd been hunting. It had been out of stock, and it's frozen. And I don't know what month it was from, but it's this like pearly white. And I saw somebody stamp with it, and I thought, oh, that's gorgeous, gotta have it. And then we've also got Poison. And these 3 came together, and Evil Eye and Cauldron. So, nice metallic-y, like stamping polishes. And then I'm always on a hunt for a gold, because, eventually I am going to run out of my favorite gold polish that I stamp with that you can't find anymore. It's from Maybelline. And this one's called Gold Rush. And I like it. It's pretty similar. It's got a little more fleck to it than the one that I normally use, but it's still got that same tone that I like. So we're going to give that a shot. So I'm going to get these plates opened up. I'm going to get everything popped open. We're going to pull out some nail tips that I have used previously for swatching, and we're just going to get going. Before I forget, I have had to take these back to, you can see there's no free edge at all. These are nubbin, super nubs. But I wanted to just show you, this manicure will get posted at some point. You can do nail art on super duper short nails. I also had to take this thumb back. I had patches on these 4 nails right here. And I was like, I'm not playing with this patch stuff. So just wanted to let y'all know there's going to be a lot of videos with a bunch of short nails. I did leave these long because there was nothing going on with those. And normally when I take a swatch photo, I take it and the thumb's totally out of the way and I crop the picture. So I figured we'd go with that. So let me get everything together and we're going to get started. Alrighty guys, I've got the plates cleaned off. I wanted to just, in the effort of saving a little bit of time, because this is probably going to be long. Every time I do a video that I just straight up record and talk, they're always long. So I wanted to start off with the unicorn top coat over black and white. Let me crank up some light though, because this is a sparkly choker. And we want to see the sparkle, right? So we're going to just get in here. I'm going to do it over white first, and that just looks so pretty. I love it over white. Wow. That's so pretty. I hope y'all can see what I'm saying. I've got a little wonky brush. We're going to have to see if it's just looped, if I need to cut it out of there. So, and then over black. Oh, goodness. Oh, that's just pretty. I love it. Oh, wow. I'm seeing green and blue and purple and pink. It's just stunning. Really happy to have that. So that is the unicorn top coat. Okay, so we're going to just hop on in here. I've got my little nails out here, and we're just going to start swatching. I'm just going to get on into it. Like I said, I don't want it to be forever long. And I don't know if I'm going to do all of the images from both of the plates. We'll see. You guys, or we might just do the one plate today. We'll see. Oh, I didn't get a real good deal on that one, but we're going to see if we can use it. Yeah. Oh, how pretty. Love, love that image. How cool, the shark swimming. I'm going to be using my lint roller today. And then next we've got this frosted one. Oh, I've been wanting to just try this so bad. Alright. And I am using my little ice cube stamper. Oh, I'm supposed to be going this way, y'all. Oh, it looks like Crackle. That image looks kind of like Crackle. I love how that's stamped. So that was, what is it called? Frozen. I'm calling it Frosty. Whatever. Crazy girl. Alright, so I'm getting that cleaned off. And I'm trying to bump along quick. Because, you know, I know that this is going to be a long one. It's going to be a long one, y'all. But I didn't have any, I've got a lot of videos recorded, but nothing was edited. So, and you can't really tell what that one is, but that's okay. I just really wanted to see how the color looked. Look how great that's stamped. Such a nice one. Very pigmented. Okay, so next we've got, okay, and that one was Poison, and next we've got Evil Eye. It's the red metallic one. Oh, wow, that's, ooh, that's luscious looking. So there we go. And I, you know, I didn't really know if I should do this video or not. I know a lot of people don't really care for these, but I thought, well, it's been a hot minute since I've done one. Ooh, ooh, I hope y'all can see that shimmer on that. Ah, I love it. Okay, one more we're going to do. The next one is Cauldron. This way we can bump through these. Lost my stamper. If you've ever done that, where'd I put it? Where'd I put it? Oh, that's a really pretty image. Oh, I really like that. Very nice. Love Cauldron. That's stamped beautifully. I'm going to trade them out. We'll be right back. Just so you know what I'm talking about, this is my little cup of polishes I've swatched either to see what they look like, or sometimes I've played with them a little bit, or I've swatched a collection, like this is from Sister Chic Lacquer's latest collection. That's what I'm using. So I don't know what any of these are, most of them, some of them, but that's what I'm pulling from. I have a whole little tub that I saved them for this very occasion. Okay, so we're going to hop back in. We've got to do the gold one, and this is Gold Rush. I'm going to do this big palm leaf here. So pretty. So nice. Oh, I'm scraping too hard. I gotta be careful. I know that's a big open image. I think I'm gonna put that one on this. It'll be dainty. Oh, that's very pretty. It's stamped very nice. Love it. Alright, and then we're gonna go back to shark bait. I'm not gonna keep naming them. We're just gonna plop on through. So we've got some images to pick up real quick. Oh, that one's going to be too dark on that one. Let's go with that. I'm sure with top coat that would look a little better, but maybe I should pay attention when I'm picking out these images. Okay. And I was going to do, hang on, I got to find a dark one. I was going to do one of these. Here we go. Here's a dark nail. I was going to do all these polishes in order, so I've got a darker nail on there now for Frozen. crazy girl. I'm really liking that frozen. I saw, like I said, I saw it and I was like, ooh, I need that. Oh, I love it. Cute, cute. Alright, next we've got a green metallic one. I love this one. Okay, let's see if we can get a couple of these on a nail. Why not? Okay, so I got Sunrise. It's a little license plate that is so cute. Adorable. I haven't even looked at all the images yet. I'm just running around like a crazy kid at the playground. You know, I'm going to have to excuse my scratchy voice. My sinuses are still off. It's hot one day, it's cold one day, it's raining, it just won't make up its mind. Hello, summer. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love it. Those both stamped out really well, too. I like that. Okay, and then we've got the purpley looking one. Let's go see if we can... Let's go ahead and do this one down here. Oh, that one's going to be one of those corner problem childs. Okay, I did get it. Let's see if it'll transfer. Find me under the palms. I couldn't even read it on the plate, but on the nail I can. Okay, I'm going to swap these out, and we're going to keep rocking. Okay, I did the purple, so now we're going for gold. Let's do this one. Little fish that says bite me. How funny. Bite me, saying that was like a big thing back when I was a kid. Just being snarky, you know. Oh, bite me. I mean, you would only say it to your friends, but still. Hopefully I got enough of that up of there. So let's go with that. Oh, it's not a fish, it's a shark. Cute, cute. Okay, next we're going back to the blue. Let's see if I can get that on that brown one too. If not, we'll try it on another color. I tell you what I might do is I'm going to, you know, I'm talking my way through this one. I might record stamping all the images on the other plate and just pop some music on. So, that one's like, Shell, yeah. That showed up pretty good. So, let me know in the comments down below if you know, I'll go ahead and record the video, and if y'all want to see it without me, you know, actually, you know, talking all the way through it, then, you know, let me know, and I'll release that video the same day I release this one. Y'all could have a twofer if you just want to see the plate swatched with these polishes. Oh, got some mess going on there. I'm loving this little stamper. It's so sticky. I'm surprised. Okay, so this one's going to go right there below me. That cute little blowfish. Oh my god, you could fill that in and do some serious advanced stamping with that. Okay, and next we're going to go back to the green metallic one. And where am I at? Okay, I might as well just work my way across it so I don't get lost. Get lost on the plate. And I'm not going to top coat these today. I just, you know, wanted to be able to post a video and, let's do this one on here. And if y'all like this, let me know. Okay, I can't read that one. Miss Tina's eyes are like too terrible. Normally I don't have trouble with stuff up close. I have no idea. I don't know what it says. If somebody knows what that says, let me know down below. Okay, so that was the green, and we're going back to the red. Now this one I can read. It says Aloha. Oh, I love that red. So yeah, let me know down below if you just want to see the other video just swatched with some music on it. That would be cool. Okay, I'm gonna put this Aloha over her. Oh, that is so cute. And I do like the red on the pink. That looks so pretty. Love it. Okay, now we're going back to the purpley looking one. these sinuses are making me crazy. Alright, let's just do this one right here with the little sun. No, I couldn't resist this little purchase. And what was cool was Maniology, you know, I think they put my order together. I got it all together, so that was nice. Positive vibes. No, radiate positivity. Now that is needed nowadays, isn't it? There we go. And next we've got the gold one. We're going to do this little well. That's so cute. Adorable. Okay, he didn't show it very good on that one. Well, we're going to have to do that one on another one. Let's grab another color. How about that gray? Okay, so I got some gray. We're just going to redo that one. Yep. So I will swatch the other plate, and I'll have that video. And yeah, if y'all want to see it, I will pop. If I get enough people saying they want to see it, then I'll just pop that one right on there too today. Oh, that's so cute, and the gold looks really good on that dark gray. Love it. Alright, and then we're going to get the oh well too. The O. Because it's oh well. They need to go together for sure. I am making a mess with my scraper. Oh well. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, we've got one more to do. So I'm just going to pop one of these off and put that pink one back on that we had the well on. And we're going to do this hydrate bottle. I'm going to do it in a dark color. See if that'll show up. Hydrate. Of course, it's over the well a little bit, but that's pretty cool though. Well, I really enjoyed this plate. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. I do plan on doing some manicures with it very soon, so I will leave it out so that we can do that. I always clean my plates with pure acetone, wipe them with a paper towel, and then I'm getting to where I spray them with alcohol and then wipe them again with the paper towel. So, let me get this plate clean and I'll line all these up and show you. Alrighty, here are all the images. Lighting is just not working out for me today. Maybe that'll work. There we go, that might work. So these are all the images, and these down here I couldn't put them in order because I kind of skipped around a little bit, but all the images picked up just excellent. I really do like this plate. I'm so excited for summer, and these would look great with some neon colors. I'm just picturing this plate being so much fun. Have a neon background and bam, just do it. So like I said, if you are interested in seeing a quick video of me, you know, fast forwarding and swatching the other plate, number 34, with some music background going on, just, you know, tell me you want to see that and I'll post it today right after this video, and there you go. So I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.